Ooh boy.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Second set to come out this year for hockey, O-Pee-Chee. Looking forward to it. A little more exciting than MVP. Things that we're looking for. It's not super chase heavy, but I know that there's tall boys and obviously the marquee rookies still looking for Zegras, looking for Caulfield, Byfield. Let's get into it.
We were visiting back home and stopped by a local card shop there on our way back. And yeah, we stumbled across a few goodies. So we have this, and we also have another hockey pack coming.
It's Series 1.
Aw. I'm not going to say what it is.
Are we doing the beer review right now? Alright, so we got Dust Bowl Brewing Company's Therapist Imperial IPA. 10.4%. Cheers.
Yeah, sorry. Punch.
Oh my god. Alright, we gotta do these quickly.
I like the feel of these. This is going to take a while.
How many? We got 36 packs per box. Alright, excellent work. So we got Luke Kunin, Dylan Dubé, Blake Como. We got league leaders Leon Draisaitl with his power play goals. Philip Zadina, insert. Ryan Ellis. We got Colton Sissons and Jesse Pugliarvi.
Yeah.
Blake Wheeler.
He's a nice guy.
Sam Bennett, 18-year-old Sam Bennett. Ivan Provorov. Eric Howla.
Ooh, I like this card. That's
Yeah,
cool.
they're cool. Tomas Hertl. Jacob Voracek. Sebastian Aho. And Charlie Coyle. Ducks legend, Daniel Sprong. James Reimer. Brendan Dillon. At some point I'll stop being funny doing that. We got
Maybe.
season highlights, Connor McDavid. Records 500 points. Sorry. I didn't need to read all of that. Andre Palat.
That's okay. I was curious.
Bo Horvat, and Igor Shesterkin.
Ooh, nice.
The pads are tripping me out. And Zdeno Chara. Seeing him in a Capitals jersey trips me out.
Yeah, it is kind of strange still.
Alright, we got Nick Schmaltz
Swimming.
off of the 7-point night the other night, and Elvis Merzlikins. We got marquee rookies Cole Lind.
Ooh.
An interesting one. Team checklist, Carolina Hurricanes.
Interesting.
Andrew Mangiapane,
Mangiapane.
lighting it up this year too. Nico Hischier. David Perron. And Radek Fakso.
And we got a weird one.
Oh, cool. Different cut.
Yep.
Excellent. Kyle Capobianco.
Is that what a tall boy is?
uh,
Is a small boy?
maybe. Bowen Byram. Team checklist of the Columbus Blue Jackets. There's our, that's O-Pee-Chee Premier Patrick Kane. I guess that's what the tall boy is.
You can go here, sir.
Quinn Hughes, the saddest of the Hughes brothers. Frederick Anderson. I'm sure
Ducks
he's
legend.
happy. He has a perpetual sad face. Andrew Doughty.
No, una más.
And Rasmus Dahlin. This is this tall boy of Patrick Kane here. Patrick Kane especially not tall, but
Bruh, why you gotta do him like that?
yeah. Shout out to Trevor Zegras' favorite player, I guess. You got Brandon Saad,
I'm not gonna lie, I think I saw something purple on this.
Michael McLeod.
I don't even know what that means.
Purple's exciting. We got a checklist of. We got a checklist.
checklist of a checklist, which is really strange. You go over here, sir.
And we got Tomas Hertl.
Maybe it was this purple, you know?
That could have been. We got a blue parallel of Andre Palat.
Oh, maybe that's what I saw. Not purple. You can go here, sir.
We got Pierre-Luc Dubois. Casey Cizikas. And Sergei Bobrovsky. Seeing 600 card base set, which I don't think we can complete it. I don't think we can complete it in this run, but Jesus, there's a lot of cards here to open. Noah Dobson. Braden Holtby.
Who is writing?
And we got somebody revving a scooter out there. Noah Hannafin.
Not that it's late, but chill.
Marquee rookie Spencer Knight. Here we go.
Let's go.
Good
Oops,
times.
sorry.
Oliver Ekman Larson. Tommy Wilson. Milan Lucic. And Kevin.
Good old Kevin. Right, look at another top one.
We got Thick Boy Nick Ritchie, Ducks legend.
You can't call me
I'm sorry, it just...
big boy.
I mean that with peace and love as a fellow Thick. Patrick Kane.
It's like fellow thick.
Brock Besser. Cole Caulfield, tall boy.
Really? Oh shit.
Oh, that's gnarly. We'll take that.
Oh shit.
That's pretty neat.
Oh shit. You know?
That's another ironic tall boy, because Cole Caulfield is
Wait,
bite-sized.
did they do this on purpose? Because if Marchand is in here.
Yeah, Marchand is in here, and we get Marchand tall boy, then we'll know. Justin Hull.
That's mean of you.
We're on to you, O-Pee-Chee. Tristan Jarry.
We're on to you.
Jordan Greenway. And Capo Kakinen.
Burn it all like that.
Timo Meyer. Speaking of the Sharks. Brock Nelson.
I feel like you put that out into the universe.
Oh, we got a marquee rookie of Cam York. Shout out to SoCal Hockey.
Oh, cool.
And Andrei Vasilevsky. Jason Robertson, who's tearing it up right now. Oh my goodness, he's on fire.
That's just rude.
Adam Pellick. Keandre Miller. We got Martin Jones.
Martin.
Stanley Cup champion Martin Jones? Stanley Cup champion Martin Jones.
Wait. Yeah.
I'm going with it now.
Yeah.
Mackenzie Weegar.
I might have to look that up. But I do think so.
Ryan Captain Getzlaff.
Not Fruki.
And Ryan Miller. Wow.
No.
Jeez.
Fruki.
Nick Paul.
No.
Mark Giordano. Kyle Clifford, the
Oh, that's
legend.
so depressing.
Jaden Schwartz.
Kyle, I'm
And
sad.
John Gabriel Pajot. Yeah. Jake Gardner.
Which is important.
Ty Smith. Casey Middlestat. We got season highlights of Anse Kopitar reaching 1,000 points. I remember that. We got Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Steven Stamkos. Zach Werenski. And Ryan O'Reilly.
I don't even know how many packs this has been, which is kind of problematic.
Who's counting?
Just said I didn't.
Not me either. Jamie Olisiak. Kyle Okposo.
At least we're on the same page.
Marquee rookie Trevor Zegras.
Let's go!
There it is.
Let's go!
Oh, we excited about that one.
Let's fucking go!
We got a Sidney Crosby, tall boy. All right, man. Like, how tall is Sidney Crosby even?
Does
Like,
it say?
I know he isn't bite-sized, but like,
5'11". You
And
guys.
that's 5'11", like listed too.
You
No,
guys.
Cole, you don't want to look at Cole Caulfield. He is front foot 8 or something.
He's 5'7".
Yeah.
You guys.
Patrick Kane was 5'10".
5'10". You guys.
I thought this was a sport for tall people, and the tall boy inserts Connor Garland. Oh, he's our next tall boy. Please, I hope we get a Connor Garland. Claude Giroux. Cody Glass.
To be fair, you could be a tall boy then.
Hey, I am on Tinder. I'm 6 foot. Alex Ovechkin.
That's what you get. You're not allowed to make fun of him. Can't control it.
Yeah, I'm not trying to height shame here. These guys they're three incredible hockey players. I'm here to buck the narrative that you need to be tall to play hockey.
True.
Michael Delzato. Carey Price. You got an Islanders checklist. Adam Earn. Martin H's. Matthew Barzal. JT Compher. Chris Letang. Ryan Donato. Connor Brown.
Oops.
Nick Leddy. A legitimate tall boy, Alex Ovechkin, like Russian tank. Also super topical right now. We don't have to get into it. Y'all know. Joel Eriksson Ek.
If you know, you know.
Sean Monahan.
And if you don't know, now you know.
Marcus Foligno. And Nick Cousins. Eetu Luosterainen. Surely I said that right.
Wow.
Max Comtois. Dustin Brown. We got season review. Pius Suter. Suter scores hat trick.
Suitor.
Bobby Ryan.
Bobby.
Ducks legend. Tyson Jost. Travis Konechny. And TJ Oshie. Jacob Silverberg. Alex DeBrincat. We got a blue parallel of Craig Smith. Got Brandon Sutter. Sammy Blais. Zach Parise. And Nolan Foote. And Philip Heidel.
Sometimes I like when you ended early and I knows.
I can see in your body language that I'm wrong, that I'm off by one. Like you actually start to get giddy. You got Nick Paul again. Got 2 first names.
One of these looks red.
Oh, that's exciting. Yeah, I can kind of see it. Oh, we'll see. Sam Gagne.
Can I just hit this real quick?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay.
You got Nils Hoglander.
It is.
There's the red John Marino.
I don't know what
Very
the
cool.
difference between these are, so off
Well,
you
I gotta say the red's been more scarce to this point.
off you go.
Blake Coleman. Jack Hughes. And Nick Suzuki. And Zach Aston Reese. Alright. So we've got Dmitry Orlov. Another checklist. I don't know if that's the same card, probably is. Teuvo Teravainen.
Who don't know?
And the St. Louis Blues checklist. We've got a couple of you. Jacob Chikrin. Jared McCann. Artemi Panarin. Robbie Fabry.
Yeah, really.
Linus Olmark. Anthony Duclair. Zach Whitecloud. You got Zach Jones' marquee rookie card.
Let's go.
You got marquee rookie Alex Newhook.
Let's go. I'm gonna give
Yeah.
you with the rookie pop.
You got Shea
Illinois.
Theodore.
I know it's
Bob
not
Murray's
the
worst mistake.
same.
And Darnell Nurse. And Tage Thompson. Alright, we got Philip Kurashev. Cam Fowler. We got the New Jersey Devils checklist. Miro Heiskanen, tall boy, which I believe he is an extremely tall boy.
6'1".
Oh, okay, never mind. I was thinking probably Klingberg. Braden Shen. Brandon Hagel.
Haig.
Carter Hart. Matt Martin. We got Nick Foligno, the other Foligno. We got Nicholas Abe-Kubel. I say the other Foligno because we pulled the other one, not because he's just the other. Tyler Toffoli, Canadians.
Sorry. I like Tyler Toffoli a lot, but not a
Big fan of Tyler Toffoli. I like him. I don't know, he's Kings legend.
I
But
miss him. That's all.
Justin Schultz, blue parallel.
I wish you were still playing for the Kings. We miss you.
Cale Makar. Yeah, Robert Thomas, smooth. Just like the ocean under the moon. Thomas
weird.
Nosek. Joel Farabee.
That one just felt so weird to me.
Which
Like,
one? That was
the
in the
Makar one.
Robert Thomas. Then we got Alexander Texier, Casey DeSmith, Michael Bunting. Yeah, season review, Ilya Sorokin. I don't know how many wins he got, but
13.
cool. Ilya Mikheyev. Yeah, Trevor Moore. Craig Smith. Philip Grubauer.
Oh my goodness me.
Are we running out?
No.
Jack Roslovic.
I'm having fun.
Justin Schultz. Yeah, this is awesome. Team checklist, Washington Capitals. Half of the fun is just ripping open packs and seeing what it is. Tyler Johnson.
Absolutely.
Like, the hits are fun, but, like, you know, sometimes it's the chase. The bounty we make is the friends we made along the way. Something like that.
Thieves.
Yeah. Treasure we make. William Carrier. Anthony Bavillier. Alright. Alexander Wenberg.
Starting to rap.
Yeah, we're rhyming here. Vitek Vanacek.
Right.
You got Jason Dickinson. What?
Because, like, you know.
Anders Lee. It's gonna be real hard to cut out.
That's
Matt Dumba.
What? I thought it was funny.
It was pretty funny. Marquee rookies, Kalen Addison.
I think I'm funny.
When I think of wild rookies, I think of Kalen Addison. Sebastian
Oh.
Aho, tall boys.
Rip to Addison. 5'11".
5.
I just wanted you to know.
Jake Gensel. I've never been called a tall boy, and I'm 5'11". And then Rasmus Anderson.
But I'm
And Vincent Trocheck.
Thanks.
Everybody forgets about Vinny Trocheck. I got Nino Niederreiter. Yaroslav Halak. Brett Pesci. Got TJ Brody. Patrice Bergeron. Lawson Krause. Shane Gossesbear. And William Carlson. Mario Ferrara. I say that as if Ray Ferraro was a possible pull here. Joe Pavelski.
Mario.
Matthias Ekholm.
I miss Amadi. Wow, Lauren.
Are we okay? There we go. Marquee rookie of Wyatt Kaliniuk.
Sorry guys, I got super excited about that.
Then a marquee rookie of Tarmo Ruanen
No way, okay.
and Jonathan Bernier.
I actually, even though that's the one that I landed on, didn't know what I
Tex
pulled.
legend. Jonathan Bernier. Then we got Emil Bemstrom. As well as Gabe Velarde.
Don't mean it.
You got Alexander Radulov. He's so young.
I know.
Ryan Reeves.
He's actually really fucking good.
Yeah, he was in the Lundestrom draft 2017, I think. Neil Pionk. Got season highlights at Patty Marlowe with most games played.
Wowza.
Breaking the Jarvis record, or not the Jarvis record. Kyle
No!
Connor, tall boy.
Oh, I thought it's a Kyle Clifford. This is how you read them. I got so excited. I was like, no.
I mean, kind of. You know what? It looks like it
Way.
could be like a Blues uniform if you were just glanced at it. Yeah.
Yeah, and I literally couldn't see a face, so I was just going Kyle, and it looked like it ended in an O-R-D.
And just
Kyle
blame
Clifford.
your brain's autocomplete there. Yeah. Josh Archibald.
This is why you read them.
Charlie McAvoy. Got Tanner Pearson.
We both needed more storage.
Yeah, I hope you guys are having fun with these because our memory card sure did. Alright, so we got Adam Boquist. Then Alec Martinez. Kings legend. Jacob Voracek. Got Torrey Krug, blue parallel of the Blues.
Blue.
Sam Reinhart. Eric Robinson, Buddy's brother. Andrei Vasilevsky. Max Pacioretty. You got Nikolai Kniskov. Sure. Alex Pietrangelo. Apologies. Sometimes I just don't know. Marquee rookie Cole Caulfield.
Let's go.
What a banger.
Let's fucking go.
Kevin Fiala. Yeah, Malcolm Subban. And Jake Ottinger. Patrick Laine. And Bobby Ryan. You got,
As they usually are.
yeah, Lars Eller.
Sorry.
Darcy Kemper.
Rip.
Kings legend. Michael Granlund.
Notice how many of these are goaltenders too.
Mm-hmm. I got a team checklist of Calgary Flames. Anton Hudobin. Philip Hronik. Jason Zucker. Jamie Benn. Let's see. I got Matt Zuccarello.
So much for that, I think.
Jared Spurgeon. Pretty wild pack so far. Carey Price, tall boy.
How tall do you think Carey Price
Carey
is?
Price is a unit.
Submit your response down below how tall you think Carey Price is, because he's probably the tallest out of everybody
The
so
tallest
far.
of the boys.
Ready? Spoiler alert, the answer is 6'3". Bro, not as tall as Ben Bishop.
No, nobody is. Troy
Nobody is.
Stetcher.
Not even in basketball.
Adam Henrique.
That's not true.
Radko Gudas. Taylor Hall. And Brad Marchand.
Oh, I thought we had him as a tall boy.
Yeah, I was
How
hoping
tall
for a
is he?
tall boy.
5'9".
Friendly.
He's taller than Caulfield.
Yeah.
Yikes. It's okay, Caulfield. As long as you just keep tearing it up.
Yeah, he was
Who cares?
playing great in the St. Louis.
Legit, who cares? As long as you keep tearing it up.
Connor Hellebuck. It's pretty funny how people are just equating it to like short king energy with his coach. Christian Dvorak. And a marquee rookie of Jeremy Swayman.
I always get really excited. I just want it to be my marquee rookie.
Mm-hmm. Max Pacioretty. I know. I hope we get a Byfield. We have Braden Point. And Oliver Wahlstrom. Followed by Nate Schmidt. And Kyle Connor. We got Hampus Lindholm. Leon Draisaitl. Jonathan Drouin. Sean Walker. We got marquee rookie blue parallel of Shane Pinto.
All right, Shane Pinto, I'm relying on you, buddy.
Let's go. Boone Jenner. John Gibson.
Sorry, I hope that wasn't too on the nose.
Evgeny Kuznetsov. Alright, so we got Michael Backlund. Dominic Cahoon. League leaders, Austin Matthews with 41 goals. Kasperi Kapanen, Colin Miller,
That should be it for this one.
Adrian Kempe, and Miles Wood,
Sorry, that's
One
not what I meant.
Mikko Rantanen.
I just meant like in terms of insert.
Oh, yeah. Alright, we got James Van Riemsdyk, Ryan Pollock, marquee rookie Philip Gustafson,
Dang it.
rookie update Arthur Kaliev, tall
Oh,
boy.
sick.
Yeah, there's your Kings marquee rookie. Just definitely not who you thought it would be, because I don't think he's considered a rookie anymore, but it's a rookie update. That's pretty neat. Tyler Toffoli.
I wonder.
Yeah,
That's quite
that's
interesting.
very neat.
I'm
Jesper Fast.
glad to see him in the purple yellow too.
Yeah. Oh, we love the Ice Lakers colors.
I
Simeon
do.
Varlamov.
Hey, you're like wearing half of it, so stop it.
I like him.
Okay.
Mikhail Sergachev. Yeah, I don't mean to knock it by calling them Ice Lakers. I'm sorry if that's demeaning, but
I just wanted to make sure you didn't mean it in a demeaning way.
no.
That's all. Alright.
Alright, so we got Tyler Bozak, Ilya Samsonov,
Come on, Byfield.
league leaders Andrei Vasilevsky, 31 wins,
Dang it.
Jordan Stahl, Connor McDavid, Matt Roy, Chris Drieger,
Oops.
and Alex Killorn.
I think that, given the circumstances, I'm really happy that we ended up pulling Kaliev. I didn't know that we could pull that
That
in
is
here.
really cool, yeah. Yeah, that is Uzbekistan. I didn't know he was from Uzbekistan.
Me neither. This is really cool.
Yeah, it was really fun with the new season, new players, getting to see some of the rookies. We got the Cole Caulfield, Trevor Zegras.
Zegras is really, really cool, obviously.
Yeah, and I don't know, we'll take a look at some of the checklists just for fun to see how close we have to completing like a team set. I don't know how close we actually would be.
Honestly, I don't feel like we had too many repeats, did we?
Yeah, I know we got
Just,
the
thinking.
same. I know we got a blue parallel the same as like a base.
Sure,
But,
sure.
that tends to happen.
I don't know. Well,
But yeah, I know there's a
We'll
600 card base set, and
Yeah.
we opened a lot of cards. I'll do the math, put it up on the screen here now. But yeah, that was it. We've got a series one that I think we're going to be opening next, and that'll be in the next video. So
Yeah.
if you guys are interested in seeing that, I don't know if it's not uploaded yet.
subscribe.
Subscribe, and it'll be there. It'll be there shortly. All right, see you
Bye,
guys.
guys.